So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Carl Jival, that's your future educator. So at this video, I will teach you how to solve word problem involving right triangle and non-right triangle using the law of sine and the law of cosine. So let's get started. Solving right triangle and non-right triangle using law of sine and cosine. Right triangle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. Right angle is an angle of exact 90 degrees corresponding to a quarter turn. So these are the example of right triangle. As we can see, na lahat ng triangle may square sa isang angle, that means that it measures exactly 90 degrees or it is a right angle. Lahat ng triangle na mayroong ganyan is a right triangle. Non-right triangle is a triangle does not have right angle. This is also known as oblique triangle. This triangle may have 3 acute angle or 2 acute angle and 1 obtuse angle. This is an example of non-right triangle. Dahil wala siyang right angle, all angle is acute. These 2 triangle contains an obtuse angle and 2 acute angle, and there is no right angle, therefore it is a non-right triangle. Law of sine. Law of sine states that the sine of angle A over A is equal to the sine of angle B over B is equal to the sine of angle C over C, where side A is opposite to angle A, and side B is opposite to angle B, and side C is opposite to the angle C. Solving for an angle with the law of sine. So in solving an angle with the law of sine, we can only use 2 ratio for the solution like this. Sine of angle A over A is equal to the sine of angle B over B, or sine of angle A over A is equal to the sine of angle C over C. Pwede ring sine of angle B over B is equal to the sine of angle C over C. It depends on the given at sa paglabel natin ng A, B, C. We can use this formula if we want to know the measurement of the missing angle where the given is 2 side and 1 angle, just like the triangle in the right side. Solving for a side with the law of sine. The formula is the same in solving the angle with the law of sine, but in solving we need to reciprocal the ratio. Our denominator will become numerator and our numerator will become denominator, just like this. We can use this rule if we want to know the measurement of the missing side where the given is 2 side lengths and 2 angle measures, and pwede ring only 1 side are given and 2 angles are given, just like the triangle in the right side. Law of cosine. Solving for a side with the law of cosine. So this is the formula. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos angle theta, where A is opposite to the given angle. We can use this rule if we want to find the missing side lengths of a triangle where the given is only 2 side lengths and 1 angle measure, like this triangle at the right side. Solving for an angle with the law of cosine. So this is the formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos angle theta, where C is opposite to the missing angle. This formula will help to find the angle of the triangle when the given a triangle with all side lengths but no angle measure, like the angles in the right side. So let's proceed now in solving word problem using law of sine and cosine. So right triangle. Sheena was trying to figure out the height of a pine tree. She determined that the angle of elevation of the height of the pine tree was 38 degrees. Her distance across the pine tree is 11 feet. Solve the problem using the law of sine. Round your answer to the nearest tens. So first thing to do is draw a figure that will represent the problem. So this is our figure that will represent our problem. Then let's label our figure. A will be the position of Sheena, B is the top of the pine tree, and C will be the ground level of the pine tree. Small a will be the height of the pine tree, B is the distance of Sheena across the tree, and C will be the distance of Sheena from the top of the tree. Before we go in finding the missing side of the triangle, we must find first the measurement of all angle. Since the two angle is given, so we need to solve this using this formula. Measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Then substitute. The measurement of angle A is 38 degrees and the measurement of angle C is 90 degrees. Then let's transpose 38 and 90 to the right side. So measurement of angle B is equal to 180 minus 38 minus 90. Then measurement of angle B is equal to 52 degrees. Therefore, the angle B measures 52 degrees. So now let's solve the height of the pine tree using the law of sine. Let's use this rule. Let's substitute. The measurement of angle A is 38 and the measurement of angle B is 52 and the measurement of angle C is 90 and the measurement of A is missing and the B is 11 and C is missing. Since we are finding the measurement of side A, we must use this 2 ratio as our formula. Sine of 38 is over A is equal to the sine of 52 over 11. Since we are looking for the side, we must reciprocal our ratio, just like this. Then multiply both sides by sine 38 para ma-crush out natin si sine 38 sa left side at maiiwan si A. So A is equal to 11 sine 38 over sine 52. Then let's solve using our scientific calculator. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. Dial 11 times sine 38, then tap the equal button. Then the result is 6.77227622.863. Then divide by sine 52, then tap the equal button. The result is 8.5941418916. Then round your answer into nearest tenth. So A is equal to 8.6 feet. Therefore, the height of the pine tree is 8.6 feet. So now let's proceed to non-right triangle. Mustafa is flying his kite and Anna watching from 20 meters away. And distance between Anna and the kite is 36 meters. From Anna's perspective, there is an angle of 109 degrees between Mustafa and his kite. What is the length of the string between Mustafa and his kite? Solve the problem using the law of cosine. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So, let's draw a figure that will represent our problem. So this is our figure. Label the side that opposite to the given angle with A, and label the distance of Mustafa from Anna as B, and C is the distance of Anna and the kite. Since we are looking for the side of the triangle, we need to use this formula. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos angle theta. Then substitute. B is equal to 20, then C is equal to 36, and the given angle is 109 degrees. Then let's solve. 20 square is 400, and the 36 square is 1296. Then 2 times 20 times 36 is equal to 1440. Then add 400 and 1296. The sum of the two is 1696. Then simplify. A is equal to the square root of 1696 minus 1440 cos 109 degrees. Then use your scientific calculator to solve. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. Dial square root, then open parenthesis, 1696 minus 1440 cos 109 degrees. Then tap equal button. Then the result is 46.5276062406. Then round your answer in the nearest hand. So A is equal to 46 points. Therefore, the length of the string between Mustafa and Kite is 46.5 meters. So that was our video tutorial in solving word problem involving right and non-right triangle using law of sine and law of cosine. See you in the next video. Thank you and mabuhay!